The Lytte HaromoniQ True Wireless Earbuds. Hello everyone, welcome to Brian Unbox. In this video, we will look at a new pair of earbuds, the Lytte HaromoniQ by Harmonic Labs. These are still in pre-release at the time of making this video. I will go over specs, features, provide music and microphone samples, and then give my thoughts. I have included the link in the description below for the product. If you are new to my channel or have been here before, thanks for taking the time to watch. Also, don't forget to like, subscribe, and enable notifications so you don't miss out on future videos. So let's take a look. Inside you get the user guide, USB-C cable for charging, and an assortment of ear tips. The earbuds feature 5 hours of listening time, 35 hours with the case, uses Bluetooth 5.0, and it has aptX codec. It has an ergonomic design, touch controls, USB-C for charging, and it's IPX4 water resistant. The case is compact and has a matte finish all around, and they're easy to grip. On the top you have the logo etched in. On the back of the case you'll find the charge status LEDs and the USB-C charge port. The lid has a tight feel to it and it opens and closes smoothly. The earbuds are held into place by magnets and are easy to grip and remove from the case. According to the website, they really focus on the design and shape for better sounds and ergonomic fit. You can see the overall shape and curves. It has a glossy finish all around with the ear markings on the side, and the outer face has the logo along with a large surface for the touch controls. Each of the earbuds have charging contacts, interchangeable ear tips, microphones, and touch control. Here they are side by side. Navigating playback and call controls is just a matter of a few taps to get the desired functions. The case comes in at 2.7 by 1.6 by 1.3 inches. It weighs in at 53 grams and the earbuds come in at roughly 12 grams. Now for some music samples. This will give you a sense on how they sound like. It is not a full representation of the overall sounds as there's no replacements for actually having them on. It will then be followed by a microphone sample. Now for a microphone sample in a noisy setting. This is a test of the Lytte True Wireless Earbuds microphone. Testing 1 2 3. Testing 1 2 3. The microphone worked well during calls and other parties had no issues hearing me. The pairing process was instant. When testing video on an iOS device there was no noticeable latency. Range was stable as I tested in a 1400 square feet setting. Here are my thoughts on the Lytte HaromoniQ. They seated well in my ears and it created a tight seal. There's good passive noise isolation, and the touch controls help in not adding pressure in the ear canals. Build and quality is decent. The case has a simple look and feel to it. I like the finish on the earbuds and it feels solid, along with its ergonomic shape. Touch controls are not overly sensitive and responded well when navigating. The earbuds do protrude out a bit and are not as slim. Battery life is fair, coming in at 5 hours and 35 total with the case. I would have liked to seen a better IPX rating rather than the IPX4. App integration along with active noise cancellation would have been nice to see as well, especially at this price point. Now when it comes to sound, the bass is pronounced. It's tight and punchy, but not too overwhelming. Just the right amount for me. Mids and highs come in clean and clear, and there's good separation. And it's not too forward, but just balanced throughout. Volume levels do get high, and it was a pleasant listening experience through various music genres. And you may have picked up some of the details in the sound samples. Overall, I feel these have good sounds and a good design. It does miss out on some of the points that I mentioned earlier. Currently, they are going to retail for $199, which is on the higher end range. I do feel there are many earbuds that offer more features and comparable sounds at a lower price. So that is my review of the Lytte HaromoniQ True Wireless Earbuds. If you like my video, go ahead and hit that like button, and if you haven't subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button as well. Until next time, this is Brian Unbox. Take care, everyone.